Hi everybody, this is Danielle Jasmine with Jasmine Design and Build, and I am standing in front of our triplex in Scottsdale. See, it is there, and this is our rough and walk video. So we've actually already started drywall, so we'll be having some stuff covered up, but we've got 3 units here. This is our triplex. It was a tax lien, and it's going to be a long-term rental for us. So we have 1 unit right here, the other unit right here, and then another unit around on the basement. So stay tuned for the rough and walk. Here we are. So this is unit A, and we've already started sheetrock, so there won't be tons of rough for you to see. You can see we're all painted though. In here you walk in and we have our whole living room set up, TV, art wall. This is our kitchen that he's adding to now. It's going to be a nice L kitchen, and then we have a side door. And walking into the hall, you have the new bath. This is night and day from what I showed you guys in the demo walk. This entire slab had to be re-poured. So this is our bedroom here. You can see it, all sheetrock. But we had to re-pour the slab, re-secure the foundation. And this is our other bedroom. So it's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Nice little double door closets on each unit. All new everything. So completely reframed this unit because it was previously fire damaged. And then all new roofs of electrical, plumbing, HVAC. We have attic scuttles in which we were able to fit. We're going to fit a low boy water heater and then our new air handlers. And we have a dividing wall up there in our attic because these are 2 different units. So we have to do fire rated protection to divide the 2 units. And then we're going over here to our B unit. That one, of course, became the favorite, even though it was the least favorite because it had to be reframed and completely redone. This one, shorter ceilings, and then same but mirrored kitchen layout. Got a nice L kitchen there. There's a side door that'll go to the backyard. This is our living room space and 2 bedrooms, just like the other one. And then our bathroom here, which is windows, egress in each one. Nice large window in the bathroom. And then we make our way around the corner to our back unit. That's our PM Mac right there, working hard on some soundproofing that we're doing. We're doing a new soundproofing hardware system. You can see this has the front door in the basement unit here. So this is the same layout. Difference for this basement unit is that it's smaller, and there were block walls that we had to work with where we couldn't open up the wall between the kitchen and the living, which makes this definitely more of a compact, smaller filling space. He just marked off with the spray paint a bunch of our plumbing and electrical because this is where cabinetry is going. And as you can see, there's tons of plumbing running throughout the shared bath and kitchen walls. And so my concerns are that once we're shooting all the nails in for the cabinetry, that they'll actually pierce our plumbing, which is a very common thing that happens in new construction homes or gutted and rebuilt homes like this. So this is our living room, and this is our sound system. So these are whisper sound clips that are actually spaced out along our ceiling joists here, and then channels are added this way, and then your sheetrock, your 5/8 fire rated sheetrock, hangs on here. And what it does is it creates a barrier in between. If I can zoom into the clip at all, you can't see it, but there's a rubber backing on it. So there's a rubber backing, the clip, and then the channel, and then the sheetrock hangs in, is attached to the channel, and so they create separation for sound and vibration from the sheetrock and the framing. So even though it drops the ceiling height a little bit lower on this, I think it's going to be 100% worth it because sound is a huge issue for rentals, and we are working hard to prevent prevents as much noise as possible. So this is actually converted to a mechanical room. It's a little dark in here now so you can't see, but for the basement unit we needed space for the air handler and the water heater, and so that's there. So this is a 1-bedroom now. This is the bedroom, closet there, egress, and then the bathroom that's here. Nice big window to make it feel bigger because this is a smaller footprint. So we've got a 1-bedroom, 1-bath in the basement unit. Nice new windows throughout the whole thing. That was a pain, as everyone knows. Windows are very hard to come by these days, and so we went ahead and replaced all of them to get as much light and weatherproofing and everything that we needed. And every time I try to keep a window, I regret it. So, and then here's our backyard again, and we have tons of potential back here for some outdoor space. This will be our outdoor space for our basement unit. We're going to create some outdoor space off of that side door for our left side unit, and then up here for unit A we'll have some great outdoor space over here. But once again, you can check out this amazing deep wooded lot that we have with tons of potential for anything future we might want to build. So that's the back of our house. Stay tuned, everybody. Triplex coming soon.